I saw this online. Originally it was $149, but there was a period of time where it was $99. So I decided to give it a chance. I am making a series of costumes. So I'm starting with the older Han Solo today. A little skeptical on this. When I saw the notice that it had arrived, they said it was in my mailbox. And I was thinking, oh man, there's no way it's any good. I guess you could call this an unbagging instead of an unboxing. When I got it out of the mailbox, I was surprised. It weighs 2 pounds, 12 ounces. My replica leather fighter jacket is 3 pounds, and there's not a lot here except for the packaging. Let's open it up and see what we have. It says save in case you have to return. Oh, I'm not feeling good about this. Oh, it's in a nice bag. I'm still a little nervous. I thought, oh gosh, it is not a leather jacket. I'm totally hosed. Large antique brown new. Okay, let's open up this bag. So this has been distressed. I mean, somebody's done the cosplay for you. Let's look at this. All right, it looks just like the version in the movie. The sizing, it's supposed to be thin, so I got a large. My chest is about 41, 42 inches, and it has magnets. 1, 2, 3, 4 magnets. Oh, and a zipper. That's good. It's got a nice padding inside. It's got map pocket, another map pocket over here. Nice quilt lining. It's got a leather piece here under the armpit for a distressed jacket. It looks pretty good. My other leather jacket I got from L.L. Bean, and it's 30 years old and it's still holding up. I'll show you how I'm going to make the little things that go in here. Some people say those are bullets, some say they're detonators. So let's talk a little bit about what I'm going to do there. I went online trying to figure out what these things are, and you can pay a lot of money. I saw on eBay where somebody was asking $35 for some 3D printed ones. I came up with an idea. Let's see if it works. Perfect! Giving my secret away. Boy, that's going to work great. These are just test tubes. I'll put the link down below. I got 60 for another project that I was working on. They have these little caps, and all I did is I took and inverted the test tube because the cap doesn't go this way, it goes this way. I'm going to glue that, and then I'm just going to spray paint it silver. I like simple and easy. Take the top off, put some rapid fuse glue in here. Doesn't take long to set. Let's see how the first one does. Sometimes with different plastics it doesn't work. Oh, don't deny me, rapid fuse glue. Hold it for 60 seconds. And success. That is really on there. Glue these two up and then prep for painting. I'm always looking for ways to recycle things that people throw away. And one of my challenges that I'm personally taking on right now is egg crates. Both cardboard and the styrofoam. I actually use the styrofoam as paint trays. So I'm just going to take a light sander block and just rough up the plexiglass just enough. I don't really care about anything like below here because it's going to be in the leather jacket and you're only going to see about this much anyway. And just paint this up outside. It's about 24 hours later and these are completely dry. They have a nice shine to them. I was going to clear coat them, but you know what? I'm just going to leave them the way they are. They really have a metallic look. I like this bright coat metallic finish. This is aluminum, but if you clear coat it, it really is going to bring the shine down. It makes it more gray. Bring the coat back over and just slide these things in. Props for your jacket. I went online last night to verify that the tops, and they were very close. Here we go. Moment of truth. A little bit nervous. Oh yeah! I like it. It fits almost perfectly. Right where I want it on the sleeves. It's a little loose on me. The feedback was from folks that had gotten this jacket. It sometimes is a little too tight or it's a European cut. The zipper's a little tough and it's got these magnets which are kind of weak. I couldn't be happier with this fit. I think if I went with the smaller size, it just wouldn't do it. I'm going to do a series of Han Solo costumes. I wanted to do this one first for a couple reasons. One of all, I'm not looking like young Han Solo, so pulling that off isn't always easy. And I really like this leather jacket. It was worth it. Just like anything else on Amazon, sometimes you just have to wait for the deal to come. There you go. The perfect leather jacket to go with the gun. And this little simple build. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching. And stay tuned for future Han Solo builds coming soon.